Hey, what's up, everyone? How are you guys doing? You guys are never gonna believe what's happening outside right now. Um, it's snowing. Yeah, I said it. It's snowing right now. And it's pathetic. And we're supposed to get like a foot of snow, but yeah. Give me a minute. I just gotta make sure my cat doesn't get outside. I don't think she would, but you never know. So yeah. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, I forgot turn my light off. Oopsies. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys outside. Yeah, this is outside. If you guys can see it. It's fucking snowing, guys. We're supposed to get like 30 centimeters of snow. So it's pathetic, actually. I'm even having a hard time seeing. Like, the camera doesn't justify it, but what can I say? Really. Like, there's supposed to be like some sort of Christmas thing going on at the church today. Or, I'm not sure when it's supposed to happen, but yeah. It's pathetic, honestly. The war against Mother Nature, what I'm gonna say. Yeah, I'm gonna walk backwards. Why not? Have fun. Huh? Whatever. Like, guys, again, like, I can hurt. Like, if you look, see that? It's pathetic, actually. You want, like, look at the trees, guys. Like, that's pathetic, actually. Yeah, I'm facing backwards because I'm using my front camera, so yeah, you guys can see everything in the back of me. So, it's kind of backwards. Like, guys, I'm even having a hard time seeing, honestly. It's pathetic, actually. So, yeah. Like, guys, earlier it was like rain. It was like raining. Like, look at this. It's like ice pellets, or it's like ice pellets. Like, you guys see it? It's like ice pellets. Like, the trees are frozen. But, this is Ryan983 out. Like and subscribe to this channel. It really helps me out. And helps the channel out. Merry Christmas all, and Happy New Year's. Sorry, I couldn't get the video what I was wanting to do up at the time. What I wanted, weather and work related comes more before doing dangerous stunts. I'm gonna say that for one right now, and I will try to get a video up. That specific video, what I promised. I don't know when I'm going to be able to do it. I might just do it on live broadcast, guys. So, I'm going to probably do a live broadcast again, doing that again. But I'm not sure when this video is going to go up. I'm going to upload it right now, but it may go up late. By tomorrow, it'll be up. So turn your notifications on. It's a little bell right beside the like the subscribe button. So turn that on if you want the latest updates, what I do. And plus, if you go to Twitter, crap. If you go to Twitter, you will see I got the same channel, the same name for Twitter also. So, guys, like and subscribe. Peace out.